Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Soulbay 25-watt universal AC adapter. Okay? And this is great for anyone that lost their plug and they need to get another one but they can't find it from the manufacturer, or they just can't find it because they don't make it anymore. All you have to do is buy one of these universal AC adapters and you're going to be back in business, because they have different models that provides you different voltage. So all you have to do is find out how much voltage your device uses and then get the one that's for your situation. So the device I want is a hard drive dock, and it uses 12 volts. So I got this model here that goes up to 12 volts. It starts at 3 volts and it goes all the way up to 12. So make sure that you look on the device and find out how many volts it uses, so you can get the right adapter. That's very important. Okay, now let's open the box up and see what they give you. First, you get the connectors, a little bag of connectors here. And you can also buy extra connectors or different sizes. And this is a little key that controls the voltage. And you'll see that later when I take out the universal AC adapter. Okay, these are all the different sizes here that they give you. They usually give you the most commonly used sizes, but you can also buy a kit with like 30 to 40 different sizes. So don't fear, you can always get the size you need. You can always find that one. Okay, on to the main. Now, what do you have here? He gets you a little thank you note. And device specs. You guys probably can't see that. Tells you all the specifications of this here and how to operate this device. Okay, now let me open this bad boy out of here. You guys can see it. Take this cable tie off here real quick. Alright, it has a pretty long wire, so it'll get to where you need it to go. Now I'll show you where the key goes. The key goes right here in the back that I showed you earlier. This little key here, it goes right here in the back, and you can put it to whatever voltage you need. That's what this little key is for. Okay, and that's also a safety, because no one can change it from what you set it at if they don't have this little key, because you don't want anything to happen to your device. You know, it might be the wrong voltage or something, or might mess something up. So you just put it in there and you turn it to whatever voltage you want. Mine's all the way at 12, so I'm gonna put it at 12. This all the way down there to the highest setting, 12 volts, and that's what the hard drive dock needs. So that's what I'm gonna be setting it at. Okay. And then I'm gonna have to find the size it needs. So this is my hard drive dock here, and I'm gonna have to find the size for this. so I can attach it. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, I found the size. It's one of the sizes here. Alright, you just connect the plug here. A good connection. And plug it into the device you want to use. My case, that's my dock. Then I'll have to plug this bad boy in. Alright, got it plugged in. Now let's see if it works. You turn it on. And there it goes, guys. Cuts right on. And let's tell by this light that pops on that it's getting the exact amount of power it's supposed to. Turn that off. Okay, so that works. Excuse me. That works, guys. It's that simple. You know, get you one of these little bad boys, and you'll be back in business. This is a different model, so you don't have to get the model I get. But there's a lot of different versions. But this is a very beginner model, I should say. Easy to use, and you can go all the way up to laptop power, universal AC adapters. So if you need one for a laptop, make sure you get the version that is for a laptop, because laptops go up to like 20 volts or more than 20 volts. So make sure you get the right one, okay? But that's what this bad boy is for, and I hope the video was helpful to you guys, and it'll help you out in the future. So as always, I thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope it was helpful. Bye bye.